Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing this eye look right here. Is a pastel cut crease using the Morphe X James Charles eyeshadow palette. Here I am taking Pinkity, Drinkity, Single, Brother, and Playground on clean Morphe M441 eyeshadow brushes. It is important to use a different eyeshadow brush for each color. I will then go over each shade again to deepen up the color. Once I have the three transition shades the way that I would like them, I'm going to go in with an Anastasia Beverly Hills double-ended eyeshadow brush to deepen up using the darker shades. I use 3 different brushes for this process as well, but don't worry, if you don't have 3 brushes, you can always just wipe off your brush in between each shade. Now I'm going to go in with each shade and make sure it is blended in with the other using our Morphe M441 eyeshadow brushes. It's okay if you get a little bit of extra eyeshadow on the outer V because we're going to take a makeup wipe in the end and wipe it off. Next, I'm going to cut my crease with my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NW15 using a flat-sided synthetic brush from Ulta. Take your time when you're doing this step so you get a nice crisp line. Next, we're going to take an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush and pack the color Flashback onto the lid. Now we're going to clean up the bottom with a makeup wipe. Next, we're going to go in with the Morphe E36 pencil brush and deepen up on the edge of the concealer. I am also making sure that I'm cleaning off my brush in between each shade. Now time for some glitter. We're going to be using the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeshadow in the shade Distortion. as you can see, my camera cuts off and my face is completely done. But we're going to go on the lower lash line now with Pinkity, Drinkity, Skip, Single, and Escape. Next, I'm going to go in with my lower lash mascara, which is MAC's Gigablack. Now we're going to line our lips with Stila's Stay All Day Lip Liner in Pink Moscato. On top of that, we're going to put on a Colourpop lippy stick in Oh Snap. To add some shine to this look, we're going to add some lip gloss in the shade Pink by Ulta. You know the drill, we're going to set our face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Thank you for watching and make sure you subscribe to my channel.